Welcome to Strange and Spectacular Studio, where we dive into the wonders of our world with curiosity and creativity. Today, we're embarking on a fascinating journey through the origins of humanity, exploring the contrasting perspectives of science and religion on human evolution. This topic is not just a matter of facts and figures. It's a profound inquiry into who we are, where we come from, and what it all means. So grab your metaphorical explorer's hat and let's get started. First, let's take a look at the scientific view on human evolution. The foundation of this understanding is the theory of evolution, famously proposed by Charles Darwin in the 19th century. Darwin's theory explains how species evolve over time through a process known as natural selection. Imagine a vast tree of life, with each branch representing a different species, all interconnected through a common ancestry. At the very base of this tree, we find our shared roots with other primates, like chimpanzees. This idea isn't just a whimsical thought. It's backed by a wealth of evidence from the fossil record and DNA studies. Now, let's break down the stages of human evolution. Picture the Earth around 6 to 7 million years ago, where the first hominids roamed. These early ancestors were quite different from us, but they set the stage for what was to come. Fast forward to 3 to 4 million years ago, and we meet Australopithecus, our bipedal cousins. One of the most famous Australopithecus fossils is known as Lucy, who walked the Earth with a mix of human and ape-like features. It's as if she were a bridge between worlds, showcasing the gradual shift toward what we would eventually become. As we continue this journey through time, we encounter Homo habilis, the first members of the genus Homo, appearing around 2.5 million years ago. This is where things start to get really interesting. Homo habilis is often referred to as handyman because they were the first to use tools. Can you imagine the thrill of crafting a tool for the very first time? It must have felt like unlocking a new level in a video game. Suddenly, the world opened up with possibilities. Then we meet Homo erectus, who lived around 1.8 million years ago. These hominids were more advanced, utilizing tools and fire, marking a significant leap in human development. They were the pioneers of innovation, adapting to their environment in ways that set the stage for our own species. And finally, we arrive at Homo sapiens, modern humans, who first appeared around 300,000 years ago in Africa. We are the culmination of millions of years of evolution, a testament to the power of adaptation and survival. But how do we know all of this? The evidence lies in fossils and archaeological finds that provide a window into our past. Studies of DNA reveal that modern humans share about 98% of our genetic material with chimpanzees. It's a mind-boggling statistic that emphasizes our connection to the animal kingdom and highlights the intricate web of life that we are a part of. Now, let's pivot and explore the religious perspective on human creation. Across various faiths, there's a common theme: the belief that humans are created by a higher power or deity. In the Abrahamic religions, Judaism, Christianity, and Islam, there's a creation story that many hold dear. According to these traditions, God created the first human, Adam, from the earth, and then fashioned Eve from Adam's rib. This narrative is rich with symbolism, suggesting that humans are created in the image of God, a concept known as imago Dei. This idea implies a special, purposeful creation that sets us apart from other animals. In these traditions, the story of Adam and Eve also introduces the concept of the fall of man. Their disobedience in the Garden of Eden is seen as a pivotal moment, bringing sin into the world and impacting the human condition. This event is central to Christian theology, but varies in significance across other religions. It's a narrative that speaks to the complexities of human nature, our choices, and the consequences that follow. But let's not forget the diverse beliefs found in other religions. Hinduism, for instance, presents a variety of creation stories. One view is that humans were created by Brahma, the creator god. The Purusha Sukta hymn in the Rig Veda describes the creation of humans from the cosmic being, highlighting the interconnectedness of all life. Indigenous cultures also have their own unique creation stories, often linking humans to nature, ancestors, or spiritual beings. These narratives reflect a deep understanding of our place in the universe and the relationships we share with the world around us. So, what are the key differences between the scientific and religious perspectives? When it comes to origins, science posits that human beings evolved gradually over millions of years through natural processes. In contrast, most religions teach that humans were created by a divine being with a special purpose, often in a single, immediate act of creation. The process of evolution is gradual, based on evidence from fossils and DNA analysis, while religious creation is viewed as an intentional act by a higher power. The timelines also differ significantly. Science places human evolution at millions of years, while many religious views suggest a younger Earth, with human creation happening just a few thousand years ago, depending on the interpretation of sacred texts. This divergence can lead to misunderstandings and debates, but it also opens up a space for dialogue and exploration. When we consider the role of humans, science views us as a result of natural processes with no inherent divine purpose beyond survival and reproduction. Religion, on the other hand, often ascribes a special role and purpose to humanity, linking us to a relationship with a divine being and moral responsibilities. This aspect of purpose is a powerful motivator for many, shaping how we live our lives and interact with one another. As we wrap up this exploration, it's essential to acknowledge that both science and religion offer valuable insights into human origins. Science provides a detailed explanation of the processes that led to our existence, while religion offers meaning and purpose, addressing the deeper questions of life. They are not necessarily in conflict. Rather, they can coexist, each enriching our understanding of what it means to be human. In a world where curiosity drives us to seek answers, let's celebrate the strange and spectacular ways in which science and religion invite us to ponder our existence. Whether you lean more toward the scientific perspective or find comfort in religious beliefs, there's a beauty in the diversity of thought that makes our exploration of humanity all the more intriguing. So, what do you think? How do you reconcile these different views on human origins? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. And remember, whether you're a scientist, a believer, or simply a curious soul, there's always more to discover. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the strange and spectacular world of human evolution and creation. Until next time, keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep embracing the wonders of our universe.